Thóisí slí Baile Cóise ag cluicheadair mí an Baile Dhun-lèibhe Shannon Mulligan ag an dhaibh. Agus chrochegu san bíán gon cluicheadair.
It was just when I was about 5 or 6. My brother, he was playing football back then as well, so I was just kicking about in the back with him and stuff like that, and obviously going to his training and games, and then at school as well. Obviously all the other girls wanted to do dancing, but maybe me, I also went into football and it just took off from there. I think I just more done it for fun, and there wasn't many girls teams from where I'm just from a small village, so there wasn't really many girls that played football. And then I just went to a local team in Whitburn and just winning some games, and then went to Muirston, and then we won a league there. And then I think after that I knew I was into the competitiveness. I think it's when we won the league, because that was my first ever win in the league, so I thought this is what I want to do, and obviously didn't think about going anywhere else, but I thought win the league again and stuff, and yeah.
Bheith Shannon na nócha is cluicheadh írenas áiriste ina Baile Cóise na Baile Dhun-lèibhe. Ach, chuir lán stat ar an brúitir sin na butráis an dríoch gaiche.
So I first played for Blackburn, and then I moved to Glasgow Women, who were the league above, and I unfortunately tore my MCL during that time. So playing in that league was a bit tough, trying to come back for that injury. So obviously I dropped back down and went back to Blackburn, and then the news came out that we were actually all moving to Livingston. So it was the same team, but just under a different name, and then here we are today. I think because obviously it's a bigger club, it's brought more experienced players and stuff, and obviously it's only really our second full season together, and I feel where we are in the league just now shows how much we've improved in the past 2 years. I've loved it. I've had certain points where I wasn't sure if I was going to keep playing football, and then obviously coming here and where we are now, it's made me enjoy it a lot more.
Han cluicheadair mí ina gaideachach, gon de bheacha hí na bóta na naige a chrochach mus de híla go Blackburn.
Yeah, because I tried to go back after 3 months, I think it was, and I just found it really hard to get back into it and get your fitness back and stuff, so I wasn't really sure if I was going to continue. And then coming back to Blackburn, I think that helped me get the love back for it again. It can also be a down time for you, but you just need to look at the positives and know that you can get back if you put in the hard work and stuff, and just work on the injury, and you'll get back to where you want to be.
Tá Shannon in nish na páirse scipa Baile Dhun-lèibhe ar leith seirbhachal, a ha díreach ar àrdachadh go bhuanachu chun SWP le yeah.
Yeah, I think so. So it was hard when we first became Livingston. Obviously COVID came, so we had to obviously stop playing football. And then, so this is our second full season together, and we've brought in fitness coaches, and having a good pre-season I think has got us where we are today. It's a very, very competitive league, and obviously we've only had 2 games we've been beat, but it shows like Morton, obviously they were at the bottom of the league, but they gave us a good game here and it was a draw, so you just don't know what could happen.
Go persanta, ha seisan ar leith seirbhachal ar bhí Shannon, if ein áte on a skipper championship na bliana.
It's really good, and obviously with social media that helps and stuff, but I just try and play my game, and if you get recognised, obviously it's really, really good, but yeah.
Shannon go mór a coiad a rud chun na séasan de Baile Cóise SWP le yeah. Agus ha toirt bhí fein jólas àrdachadh le club a ha Faic go cria.
I feel like it'd be really good, and especially with this group of girls. Obviously some of them haven't been up there before, so, and obviously some are experienced and have done it, but I feel like I'm excited if we obviously go up to experience it with this club. So once we go up there, we could bring in even more experienced players and hopefully can do well up there as well. It's a local club for me, and I've been to obviously a few games when I was younger and stuff like that, so I think I'd like to see my career finish here, but I'm not saying when that is because I'm not that old yet, but no, I'd probably like to see it out here.
Sinna corm na hec borinich og, ayes clanian al nalbe, rut a Shannon ar leith toirt me yin.
As I've said earlier, when I was younger I had to play for boys clubs, so it was a bit harder, so I had to play for them until I was about 14. And then I was able to find a women's team to go at. So I feel like nowadays for younger girls to be able to get into football, and hopefully here we've got like the 16s and 18s and stuff, so hopefully we can even do younger age groups to bring more girls into football. But I think for women's football as a whole now, it's amazing to see the support that everybody gets now.